DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural. Lady D, looking tacky. I keep my game tacky. Yo, yeah, I'm so nappy. Cause that be natural. The infamous. Looking tacky cause I keep my game tacky. I'm so pretty, I'm so faboo, I'm so natural. It's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo. Stuck in these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon. Getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon. And I'm sitting on top of these buffoons. I'm so nappy, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous switches wanna come back me cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so comfortable in my ends. Don't care if I make or lose a few friends.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Airfros and Babyhairs. And today I will be doing a henna treatment on my hair. I like to do these every month for benefits such as protein, nutrients, and of course color deposits to that stubborn gray. I like to mix my henna with hot coffee and let it develop for about an hour. However, you can mix it with hot water, hot green tea, or the hot coffee. And I prefer mine to be like a cake batter consistency. Now, once it's developed, I will then add a raw egg for added protein. And then when I'm ready to apply the product, I section my hair so that I can work with one section at a time. I dampen the section, detangle, and then apply the henna as you would any other hair dye. Basically in small sections within the section, and rake the product from root to tip. Now, after I complete this process, I do put a bag on my hair, like a processing cap, as well as a lined shower cap to add more heat. And then I like to sit under my heat cap for about an hour. Now, I just started doing this process as far as adding the heat. I did used to let that product sit on my hair with no heat for about 8 hours. So now that I've added this heat, it has cut down the time for it to, develop in my hair or process in my hair. So anyway, you sit under the heat cap for about an hour. And once you're done, you will then proceed to wash the product out using conditioner and water only. And I only add the conditioner because, this process is really drying to the hair because it's adding so much protein. It's just my preference to use a little bit of conditioner, and it does help to, wash the product out. But you do want to rinse hair until the water turns clear to ensure all the product is completely removed. And now for me, once I complete this process, I will then do a indigo treatment to darken the reddish tint henna leaves on my hair. I did record me doing that process, but the footage was corrupt somehow. But I do have other videos on my channel detailing that process. Anyway, some people like to rock the reddish highlights from the henna, so they don't use indigo. So to each his own on that. However, no matter which route you take, it's mandatory to add a moisturizing deep condition to the hair to bring back moisture as your final step. So anyway, you can watch me do this application process of the henna in these clips, and then I'll be back to tell you what I think. So yeah, guys, I feel like this process went pretty smoothly. That's why I like to make sure that my henna is this cake batter consistency, and it's also the reason why I dampen the hair so that it can just smoothly glide across the strands and all of that. That makes the process so much better. You don't want it too clumpy, and you don't want it too watery, because then either way it'll be really, really messy. So as long as it's a cake batter consistency, it is a smooth process. So like before, I did have the footage for the indigo process as well, and I did do the footage on the decondition process, but like I said, that footage got corrupted. So for now, this is all that I have. You can look through my videos and find those other treatment videos that I've done in the past, and you will get the gist of, that whole process. But anyway, I do appreciate you all coming through. Thanks for your time and energy. I look forward to seeing you all on the next one. Peace and love, and as always, be blissful. Peace.
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural. Lady D, looking tacky. I keep my game tacky. Yo, yeah, I'm so nappy. Cause that be natural. The infamous. Looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tacky. I'm so pretty, I'm so faboo, I'm so natural. It's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo. Looking these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon. Getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon. And I'm sitting on top of these buffaloes. I'm so natural, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous switches wanna come back me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so comfortable in my ends. Don't care if I make or lose a few friends, and I look like $1 trillion. Lady, you won a lotto, cause in the Lord I trust. And beauty is the motto. Naturally thick in the bud, I'm Billy Blanks on the Tabo. Edges a little rough, just pretend I'm from Morocco. Organ all up in my hair, cause I let my locks grow naturally. My curls popping everywhere, I'm maximizing on this natural thing. Like it or not, I don't care. You clowns ain't about to worry me, cause does this for myself, and I'm ready.